Hi and welcome back to my channel. The channel where I will be doing a Tesla engine swap on this Nissan 350Z. And the two first videos haven't been much building, or what do you want to call it. Last video we got the Tesla drive unit, and now we are finally starting on the car. I haven't done much yet. The things I have done is that I have sold the differential and I have sold the exhaust system. So everything else petrol wise is still left in the car, and we will be taking care of that. I have got my batteries also, so we will take a look at those later on. Let's get started. We realized we need to do a final start of, last start of the motor, so we're going to start up for the last time. This car will have a petrol engine. It still works. From now on it will be more silent.
Ready for sale.
Ready for sale, yeah. Like I told, no exhaust, but I think it sounds good. I will miss the sound. I will definitely miss the sound from it. What do you think?
You can put in a speaker.
Yeah. Should probably say it. I hope you see him. So that's my friend. This is his garage. He gave up half his garage for me. So
Anything for you, bro.
I'm hugely thankful, because I was standing without a garage. Now I have one. So he doesn't want to be on camera yet, but I think we will soften him up later. Just a side note, to all of you guys who are screaming, you're doing it wrong, you're not supposed to do it that way, it's easier this way. I never taken out an engine from a 350Z before, so my plan is to remove this front here, this frame here, and I will take everything step by step, trying to lose screws, feeling what's fixed, and removing things I see. And so it's kind of trial and error on this part.
2 hours later.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So the engine is out, finally, after much work, much pain. There were a few things that I didn't see when it was inside that I need to loosen on the way, but it's out and it's for sale if anyone wants it. So in the next video we will take care of the engine bay, clean it up and remove as much other nonsense as possible that we don't need, and like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye!